Welcome to TanU Condos in downtown Port Credit, Mississauga, located at Lakeshore and here, Ontario, on Park Street East. TanU Condos, developed by Edenshaw Developments, has a basic layout of a 15-story tower consisting of 204 luxurious suites, starting with one-bedroom suites from 636 square feet to the largest models at 728 square feet. Two bedrooms start at 838 square feet to the largest square foot at just under 1,200. All two bedrooms come with two baths. The uniqueness of the TanU Condos is they offer 3-bedroom floor plans starting at 1,300 square feet. Facilities at TanU Condos include 24-hour concierge, fitness center with yoga studio, guest suites, dining lounge with bar and catered kitchen, movie theater, billiards room, business center, car wash, pet spa, outdoor terrace with barbecues and dining area. All amenities for this Port Credit condo include easy access to Port Credit Go and Mississauga Transit, minutes away from major highways, steps to beautiful downtown Port Credit with shops and restaurants, parks and lake access with outstanding views. For more information on pricing and floor plans for TanU Condos, call us today at 905-896-3333. For tenants and investors looking to rent, receive a free evaluation on rental pricing by visiting us at suttonrentals.com. For a free market evaluation on sales, visit us at suttonhomevalues.com.